Why Instagram hashtags are important? In what situations we can use Instagram hashtags to amplify our visibility? What are the ways in which we can use Instagram hashtags to increase our reach? To know the answers, sit back, relax, and continue watching. In terms of organic growth, hashtags could be a major source of traffic for your Instagram page. Be it your carousels, image posts, IGTV, reels, every piece of content. For every piece of content you put on Instagram, hashtags can help you to increase the reach of that content. Except stories and guides, if it counts. One more advantage of usage of hashtags is it puts you in a position of control in terms of who should consume your content versus who likes to consume your content. Instagram wants everybody to stay on platform and spend as much time as possible, and merely due to this reason Instagram puts your content in front of people who would most likely engage with that, who would most likely consume that, irrespective of if it aligns with your business goals, with your marketing goals. Because every person who likes your content may or may not be part of your target demographics. Let's say your content is maybe visually aesthetic, and which might attract masses irrespective of what demographics they belong to, and it may not serve your purpose. Maybe they cannot afford your products or services. Maybe they might just like that particular piece of content, but even if they visit your page, they might not like your other content, or may not relate with the overall message that you are trying to convey. So hashtags here acts as a nudge, a little push for your content to get in front of people of your choice. Once your content reach your target audience and they start consuming it, engaging with it, algorithm would further amplify it and show it to similar demographics. Whereas if you wouldn't have used hashtags, it would have reached to people who randomly might like that content, and as they would start engaging with it, algorithm would amplify that and show it to the similar demographic, which further divides your reach in terms of targeting. So algorithm is there for the snowball effect, but you have to decide the direction of that snowball. When you are running giveaways, contests, lotteries, raffles, sweepstakes, or any such thing, that particular post or the series of posts require you to put a special type of hashtags apart from what you normally use for your page or regular posts in a cyclic manner. You might be required to use hashtags related to the physical stuff that you are giving away, or keeping it as a prize irrespective of your own niche. And also you might be required to use hashtags related to emotions that you are evoking through your giveaways or contest, a charisma or adrenaline or joy or love towards loved ones, anything. Or you might also the hashtags for the festival if you are targeting any, or any special day, let's say Black Friday or festival like Christmas. Hashtags could also be useful if you are going the automation way. And if you are someone who is wondering automation, then there are people who are doing the automation even till this date successfully, although it actually requires a decent amount of experience, as well as the resources, as well as the technical knowledge if you choose to make your own tool. If you're using automation, you need to feed the tool with a list of hashtags so that it would start working in a targeted manner. Hashtags are most recommended for smaller pages They cannot reach explore, which is a major source of traffic for many pages out there, and they don't have many followers, so less people would consume and engage with the content, and even algorithm would amplify it further at a smaller scale. And when you are just starting off your page, the set of hashtags that you use for first few posts are very vital, because those hashtags indicates the type of content that you wish to project in future and the type of people that you wish to target, and this gives the algorithm the signals in terms of where your content should get targeted at.